Hi, this is 𝗬𝗏 Careers Financial Modeling course. This is a video from our case study, Creating a P&L from Scratch. Let's have a look at our data sources. It would be really beneficial for our exercise if we spend a minute or two in order to understand them well. So, I'll open the sheet FY 2016 and take a look. The first column indicates the name of the P&L account. It shows us what the given amounts of revenue or expenditure are related to. Column C indicates the partner company number. Given that 𝗬𝗏𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀, the company whose extractions we are studying, is a holding entity, its financials include transactions with related companies and third-party companies. Each number in C corresponds to a single partner company, and all third-party companies are under the same number. That makes all the transactions within 𝗬𝗏𝗀𝗀𝗀 traceable and facilitates preparation of consolidated financial statements. Please note that there are some rows named total. They indicate the overall amount for a given item, given by the sum of the amounts registered against multiple counterparties. On the right, in column D, we see the name of the trading company. The transactions with third parties are marked as external. Column E shows us the amount registered for each of the P&L items. The first thing that comes to my attention is that revenues have a negative sign, and costs have a positive sign. We will deal with that a little bit later. Finally, column F contains a code, which is a reference to the given P&L item in the accounting system of 𝗬𝗏𝗀𝗀𝗀. It is common practice for each company to assign a code to the various line items in its financials in order to facilitate their use in Excel. It is always a good idea to verify whether data sources for different years are homogeneous. By that, I mean that we have to be careful if we spot any differences between them due to different formatting, different organization of the files, accounting changes, etc. In our case, it seems that the three sheets for FY 16, FY 17, and FY 18 are perfectly aligned. But please be aware that this is not always the case.